I met him for an appointment, and he asked me. He said, "Okay, so you want to make my film?" So I said, "Yeah, I want to make your film." All right. So he said, "Okay, if you make my film, will you have sex with the actress on camera?" And I said, "No." And so I thought that I didn't get the job, so I stole all the alcohol in the hotel, and then I went back, and then they told me I got the job, and
me, I can tell you the same story. I met Bernardo Bertolucci in Paris, but I lived in Paris, so I was happy to not go. And he asked me, "Are you ready to make love with an actor and an actress on the film?" And I said, "Yes." I said, "Yes, and I'm happy of that." And that's all the difference between the American and French. I can tell you a lot of stories about Michael in that movie, and the moment where we shoot a scene where he was completely naked, and that was so funny for me, hard for Michael, and that's it. And after when they left Paris, I mean Michael and Eva, Michael on New York and Eva in London, I tried to touch her, to call them and say, "Hello, it's Louis, remember the movie that we did?" But nobody was answering on my phone. And I finally said, "Okay, why are they never answering to my phone calls?" But finally, 2 weeks ago, I went to New York, and I thought, we became friends with Michael. And I asked Michael, why at the beginning, when I wanted to get to stay in contact with you, why didn't you answer my call and say, Hollywood, that movie, yeah, it's a nightmare it's horrible for me, and I think it's horrible for Eva, so please, let's forget that movie." But I know
he's lying to all of you right now.
Deep in his heart, deep in his heart, I mean profoundly, he loved that movie. But he can't say, "I love it."
I love this film, and I'm proud of this film. And I knew that, for me, it's much more of a risk for an American actor to make a film like this, because it can hurt your career, but I didn't care. I don't know what you're talking about, so anyway, enjoy the film, and it's great to see so many people here, and I hope you enjoy the film.
And I just want to say to people who don't see the movie, there was a scene where I masturbate myself, and I did it for real. I'm proud of that. So, just look.